Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Mexican red rice. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need jasmine rice or any long grain rice, a white onion, Roma tomatoes, garlic, a jalapeno, chicken bouillon, tomato bouillon, and salt. We're going to begin by dicing a half of a white onion. Slice a jalapeno 4 ways. In a blender, add 3 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a white onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 cups of water, and blend. In a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1½ cups of rice and toast on a low heat for 3 minutes. Keep an eye on your rice so it won't burn. Add diced tomatoes and toast for another 3 minutes. Add 3 cups of liquid to the rice. If the tomato sauce isn't enough liquid, you can add some water. Add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Add a jalapeno. Bring to a boil, then cover with a lid. Allow to simmer for 20 minutes on a low heat. Gently lift the rice and allow to cool. And there you have it, Mexican red rice. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.